Not very far away from the cool breezes of Arabian Sea, scene was set in the port city of Karachi at Adilji Dinshaw Road near Majestic Old Custom House. Occasion was presentation of 16 sports bicycles to Cycling Club of Lyari Girls Café by Miss Birgit Kihlmann, Deputy Head of the Diplomatic Mission here on behalf of the Federal Republic of Germany. Speaking about the emblematic significance of this event, Miss Birgit held that she was profoundly content to witness the girls of this metropolis cycling freely on the streets without any fear. She later joined the cycling aficionados.